Okay, just an update on Old Reliable. So yeah, I hand painted it with a roller on this side and spray can on the other side. You know, who cares? You know, it's just to keep the freaking rust off anyway. So this is the driver's side, and right behind me is the sun, so that's east over here. So I'm gonna go along this way. So you'll see the new box. The new box, I had a frame welded by somebody back in Casa Grande, so it enabled me to build the box as you see it now. So I'm gonna go around. These panels lift up and they're held up, you know, with this wire and all that stuff. And you'll see the whole length of it is just open, and it's just, you know, that shade cloth. So in the back, the tailgate here, obviously that's the tailgate, but the top part is just wood and plexiglass. So that's your shade cloth. I'm gonna lift that up, and you see there's my bed and the milk crates, oversized milk crates underneath that form the base. Toilet, little fan, LED lamp back there, my flat screen TV. That pump that you see in the center of the screen right now, I have to replace that. It's $55, you know, that way I can get my shower running again. So underneath the tailgate, you know, you'll see a couple totes that go on this carrier here. Water, my coffee maker, the propane tank on this side, which is the water heater. And you know, I wrote some stuff on there. Some people think it's pretty funny, especially where it says women are free. That antenna, that's a 150-mile radius antenna, so I get just about every station you can get. Here's this side, my lounge chair I got from Sam's. That thing costs about $100, and it's well worth it. My 6-foot foldable table and the chair. There's my thermostat. My water intake, all I do is pop that off, and there's a 20-gallon RV tank on the inside. My soap dish, my mirror. So here's the electronics. That's that one right there. That's one of the two marine batteries. There's one on the other side. The charge inverter, which is right here. The 2,000 watt inverter, a Blue Sea, that's a fuse box. That's the back of the refrigerator right there. And the Reflectix that I put on the windows to keep all the heat out. Oh, as you can see, the panels are up here, okay? They're each 100 watt panels. And that inverter, as you can read right there, it says 13.3. You know, that's topped off pretty damn good. So here's the front seat. I carry a few things up here. What's funny is this box here has all my supplements. This has, you know, blood pressure medicine in here. It's not a big deal. My hot water bottle for those days where I want some comfort. My Rand McNally truck map, gym bag that I go to Planet Fitness with. My knee braces in case I need them. I got a back brace in here somewhere too. But there's my old jacket. And that's about it for the tour. So that's up to date. All right, bye. Oh, I'm here in Rapid City, South Dakota. Earlier I posted something that said Sioux Falls, South Dakota, which was totally wrong. It's Rapid City. You'll have to excuse me with that. But here are my surroundings. I'm right behind Cabela's. They allow all this overnight parking for as long as you feel like parking here. There's a rig here. That's the only one that's left. Earlier, this parking lot was full with rigs here. The parking lot in the distance there was full with rigs. A lot of these people just come for one night, just hang out for one night, and then they leave. There's a buffalo standing there. That's a very big buffalo. But that's the store, Cabela's. That's the entrance there. All right, later.